This video is initiated by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. My name is Mamta Kapadi and this video is for Senior KG. Subject, story, and the story name is Foolish Donkey. Let me begin with the story. A donkey stumbled across a lion's skin and decided to put it on. "I'll be the king of the jungle for a day," he thought. When all the animals that he met ran away at the sight of his lion's fur, the donkey felt very proud and powerful. Along came a zebra. The donkey said to himself,
"That zebra is always calling me a fool. Let me teach him a lesson. We will see who is the bigger fool."
The donkey threw himself into the zebra's path and let out what he expected to be a powerful roar. The zebra laughed on the donkey. He said, "If you hadn't opened your mouth, you would have fooled me. Didn't your mother tell you? Clothes may disguise a fool, but his words will always give him away." The moral of the story is, do not imitate others. That means we must never copy others. Okay, children? Now we will go through the question and answers of the story. Question number 1. What did the donkey find in the jungle? The donkey found a lion's skin in the jungle. Let us repeat. The donkey found a lion's skin in the jungle. Question number 2. How was the donkey dressed up? How was the donkey dressed up? So the answer is, the donkey was dressed up as a lion. The donkey was dressed up as a lion. Question number 3. Why did the donkey become bold? Why did the donkey become bold? The donkey became bold as the other animals thought that he was a real lion and they feared him. We will repeat again. The donkey became bold as the other animals thought that he was a real lion and they feared him. Alright, now the fourth question. What did the zebra hear when the donkey opened his mouth to roar? What did the zebra hear when the donkey opened his mouth to roar? The zebra heard the braying sound of the donkey when the donkey opened his mouth to roar. Let us repeat. The zebra heard the braying sound of the donkey when the donkey opened his mouth to roar. And the last question now. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, do not imitate others. The moral of the story is, do not imitate others. Okay, children? Now let us learn some new words. Alright? The first new word is imitate. Okay? Imitate means to copy. The donkey was imitating the lion. Okay? So he was copying the lion. Imitate means copying. Braying. Braying is the sound made by a donkey. What is braying? Braying is a sound made by a donkey. Stumbled. Stumbled means fall. Stumbled means fall. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed the story. Happy learning. Keep practicing.